National Payday Loan Relief features, strengths, weaknesses. National Payday Loan Relief is a debt relief service specializing in payday loan consolidation and reduction. It primarily targets individuals trapped in cycles of high interest, short-term loans, offering a structured program designed to negotiate with lenders for lower interest rates and more manageable payment plans. Key features include debt analysis, lender negotiation, a consolidated monthly payment, and financial education resources. The program starts with a free consultation to assess your debt situation and determine eligibility. If accepted, National Payday Loan Relief acts as an intermediary, communicating directly with payday lenders to secure reduced balances or APRs. Your payment goes into a dedicated account, from which National Payday Loan Relief disperses funds to lenders according to the negotiated agreements. The primary strength lies in its focus on a very specific and vulnerable demographic, payday loan borrowers. It offers a lifeline to those drowning in exorbitant interest and fees, providing a potential path towards financial stability. Further strengths include the consolidated payment, which simplifies budgeting, and the financial literacy resources aimed at preventing future debt issues. However, National Payday Loan Relief also has weaknesses. The program is not a loan. It's a debt relief service, and success hinges on the willingness of payday lenders to negotiate, which isn't guaranteed. While they claim to reduce interest and loan amounts, complete debt elimination isn't always achievable. Furthermore, during the negotiation process, your credit score might be negatively affected due to missed or reduced payments reported by lenders. The fees associated with the service can also be substantial, eating into the potential savings from debt reduction. Ensure you understand these fees upfront. Lastly, not all payday loan companies will work with debt relief agencies, limiting the program's effectiveness in some cases. National Payday Loan Relief can be a viable option for individuals struggling with multiple payday loans and lacking the resources to negotiate independently. However, it's crucial to weigh the potential benefits against the risks of credit score damage and the possibility that the program might not resolve all your debt. Before enrolling, carefully research alternatives such as credit counseling, debt management plans, or even bankruptcy, and always read the fine print to understand the terms and conditions, especially regarding fees and guarantees. It's an option worth exploring for the right person, but proceed with caution and informed expectations.